Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unpair Bluetooth earbud to our phone. Guys, you want to unpair this Bluetooth earbud to your phone, so guys you can unpair it. And guys, now let's see how to unpair it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair this Bluetooth earbud. Then guys, you can see this second option like connected device. So guys, tap here. So guys, as you can see guys, we have paired this pre-tone TWS, and guys we want to unpair. Now this red icon guys, this setting option guys, you can see in your Motorola phone. Tap here, and guys you can see this forget option, and guys forget it guys. So means we will unpair guys, you can see this right, and guys we will off it. So I hope friends you have understood. Again sorry friends. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earbud to our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.